to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do a clean installation on your computer or laptop. This whole idea is for you to clean install, mean that you want to get rid of your old Windows and then reinstall the same one or an upgraded version. So for example, if you have like a Windows 7 and you want to clean install, you are going to get rid of the Windows 7 and reinstall Windows 7 again, or you are going to get rid of the Windows 7 and then install like a Windows 10. The idea is to just have a fresh start or fresh, um, program. So sometimes the computer get to keep logs of things like a website that you visited, like cookies, cache, all those things, and you want to get rid of it. Okay, so today we are just going to do the part one, which will be the media creation tool. And all you need to do is to open your web browser, which will be Google, and then you type this with Windows USB media creation tool, and then you hit enter. And after you hit enter, it will take you to this page, which is Microsoft. And then right here, you click on create installation media for Windows. And over here, you have the option between Windows 11 and 10. Windows 10, according to Microsoft, after October 14, 2025, it will no longer provide free software updates. But 11 is current, so it's totally up to you which route you want to take. So, for example, let's do with a Windows 10. All you need to do is to come here to this tab. You can also go through this and read all these things here. It's basically telling you the process and all the information you need to know. But right here, you click on download, and then it will all take you to this page. And then here, it gives you all these options, right? So if you want to go through these and read them too, you can. And it's telling you the process of, like how to install, what to install, expectation, addition, all those kind of stuff. Yeah, all those kind of stuff here. But down up here, you can click download and then it will start the download right here. So see how it's downloading? Yes. So once downloaded, then you can just go into where the file is and then you just pick and drop it. So here you can pick and drop on your desktop, right? Okay. Then you can basically, so we are doing this on a pen drive, right? So I'm gonna have to plug my pen drive. Let me plug it in. Okay. And then I'll copy this tool, media creation tool, onto my flash drive. Okay. And now that is copied, and this will be the part one of the video where we are actually making this creation tool readable or bootable, whichever the case is. So part two will come where the real installation will take place. So once it's copied onto your flash drive, you double click this and it will open it for you. It's kind of slow now. So it's getting things ready. Okay, so here you come to this phase here where you do your accept stuff. It's just an agreement to the license. Okay, and then it's showing you all the phases of the process. So what do you want to do? Upgrade this PC now, create a media. So this is what we want to do. We are creating an installation media for USB flash drive. So you hit next on that one. And then this is what it's telling you. So use this recommendation for this PC. You just hit next. It depends on which one you want to do. and then USB flash drive, yes, you hit next, and it's telling you which flash drive you have. So it's this one right here. You just hit next again. Yeah, it's going to start. So this will read all the way to 100%. Yeah, so it's gonna take a while for it to load. 98% now, getting to 100%. Okay, then now it's verifying your download, which will also load up to 100%. 'Just as a reminder, in the part 2 of this video, you want to make sure that you copy all your files or you back them up before you do the next step, the part 2 of this video. So with the part 1 is fine. You're just doing the media creation tool. So you're just making it ready and bootable for the part 2 aspect. So just make sure you copy every file that you have onto a hard drive, external, whatever you, wherever you want, cloud, wherever you want to back it up, just to have it. Yeah. So this process take a while. In real time, at least it takes about an hour. So you need about a good hour to do this whole media creation process. Okay, so this is the final aspect. It says your USB flash drive is ready, so you can just hit finish, and there you go. It will take a few more minutes to finish everything, and you are ready to roll. So that's it for now. So remember, in order to do this, you need at least an 8 gig storage flash drive and at least an hour. You're gonna spend about an hour doing it. And that is it basically.